Python image library fails with message decoder JPEG not available, PIL. PIL does support JPEG in my system. Whenever I do an upload, my code is failing with. How can I resolve this?
libjpeg dev is required to be able to process JPEGs with PIL or PIL, so you need to install it and then recompile PIL. It also seems that libjpeg 8 dev is needed on Ubuntu 14.04. If you're still using PIL, then you should really be using PIL these days though, so first pip uninstall PIL before following these instructions to switch, or if you have a good reason for sticking with PIL, then replace PIL with PIL in the below. On Ubuntu. If that doesn't work, try one of the below, depending on whether you are on 64-bit or 32-bit Ubuntu. For Ubuntu x64. Or for Ubuntu 32-bit. Then reinstall PIL. Edits to include feedback from comments. Thanks Charles Offenbacher for pointing out this differs for 32-bit, and T-Mart for suggesting use of no cache dir.
For those on OS X, I use the following binary to get libping and libjpeg installed system-wide. Libping and libjpeg for OS X. Because I already had PIL installed, via pip on a virtualenv, I ran. This resolved the decoder JPEG not available error for me. Update, April 24, 2014. Newer versions of pip require additional flags to download libraries, including PIL, from external sources. Try the following. See the following answer for additional info. Pip install PIL don't install into virtualenv. Update 2. If on OS X Mavericks, you'll want to set the arch flags flag as at Ricardogonzales comments below.
This is the only way that worked for me. Installing packages and reinstalling PIL didn't work. On Ubuntu, install the required package. You may also want to install library type 6 devs lib1g dev to enable other decoders. Then replace PIL with PIL.
The followed works on Ubuntu 12.04. When you'll see JPEG support available, that means it works. But if it still doesn't work when you edit your JPEG image, check the Python path. My Python path missed .7/test packages /pil1.1 7py2.7 linux x86_64.egg/, so I edit the .bash get the following code to this file.